Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire strippers. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD04 vacuum from the wall to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, locate the screws that secure the outer casing of the vacuum. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the outer casing with the flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the casing. With the outer casing removed, you should now see the internal wiring of the vacuum. Identify the old cable connected to the power circuit. To remove it, first, note how the wires are connected. Taking a photo can help with reassembly later. Carefully unscrew the terminals holding the old cable in place using the Phillips screwdriver. Now, it's time to prepare your new cable. Using the wire strippers, strip about ½ inch of insulation from the ends of the new cable. Make sure not to cut the wire itself. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the new cable is prepared, connect it to the terminals you previously unscrewed. Ensure that the connections are tight and secure, as loose wires can lead to malfunction or even pose a safety risk. After connecting the new cable, gently tuck the wiring back into the casing, ensuring it is organized and clear of any moving parts. Before reattaching the outer casing, perform a quick visual inspection to ensure everything is in place and secure. If you find this process daunting, don't worry, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This means you can skip the hassle of carrying your vacuum to a repair shop. Now, align the outer casing back over the vacuum. Press it gently into place and reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Be sure to tighten them securely, but take care not to over-tighten, as this could crack the casing. Once all screws are back in place, stand the vacuum upright and plug it in. Test the new cable by turning on the vacuum to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember we can provide a quote before repair to ensure transparency and costs. Finally, clean up your workspace, disposing of the old cable and any packaging materials from the new cable. Regular maintenance of your vacuum, including checking cables and filters, will help extend its lifespan. Thank you for following this tutorial on replacing the cable of your Dyson HD04 vacuum. With these steps, you can keep your device running efficiently and effectively. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.